special pepper beans gravy curry. It's a little bit spicy recipe. We can serve it along with rice, chapati or roti. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1 onion, 5 garlics, 1 inch size ginger, 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add the grinded paste to it. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute. Now add 1 cup of chopped beans to it. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add 1 cup of water and mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Add 2 tablespoon curd to it. Also add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Boil for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, add half teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Switch off the flame. Beans pepper gravy curry is ready.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.